Thank you for the feedback, and other students. Thank you. Okay, dear Yusuf. Uh, so, uh, uh, this usually this is not the option that you choose. They will consider this for you after your conference paper will be accepted. They will inform you that you will present your paper as a poster or lecture. Okay, so if I want to tell this in فارسی، فراموش نکنید که انتخاب بین که مقاله به صورت پوستر یا سخنرانی باشه معمولا به محقق بستگی نداره. یعنی با توجه به خط مشی که کنفرانس ها و محل برگزاری داره ممکنه مثلا بگن که همه مقالات کنفرانسی دانشجویان ارشد و کارشناسی اینها باید به صورت پوستر ارائه بشه و مقالات دانشجویان دکتری و اساتید دانشگاه باید به صورت مثلا سخنرانی باشه. یا ممکنه که یه کنفرانس بگه بر اساس کیفیت مقاله من میام تعیین میکنم مقالات با کیفیت تر به عنوان سخنرانی و مقالاتی که حالا یکم سطحش پایین تر هست به عنوان پوستر چاپ بشه. Okay, any question about this session? If not, we can start our new lecture. Thank you, dear Les, dear Stender, dear Walid. Thank you. Hello, dear Walid. Good afternoon. عصرتون بخیر. Thank you, dear Hussein Kamel. Okay, so let me share a new document. Okay, thank you. Now in this session, I want to talk about an important subject, and it is very useful for you. So let me start this session. Here in this session, I want to tell about and talk about creating an academic email. This is so important subject for you, especially when you are a master or PhD student. So here I talk about creating an academic email in order to using databases. So we use academic email especially for using databases. What does that mean, databases? It means databases for download papers, conference papers, or journal papers, download thesis, download ebooks, and maybe other forms of researchers. So this is our first subject in this session, in our new session, session number 5. And here I tell you how to create an academic email. In the first step, you should go and visit the home website of your university, ImamReza.ac.ir. This is the direct link for you. And the second step is go to the Parto portal or سامانه Parto portal or سامانه Parto by using your username and password. Again, this is the direct link for that. And in the final stage, we should fill in requesting email address, address. So by using these steps, we can easily create an academic email in ImamReza International University. Okay, now I wanna show you in my computer how to create an academic email. But if any question about these steps, please tell me. Was it clear for you? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so let me share my desktop. Okay, all you have my desktop screen. Can you see my desktop screen clearly? Okay, so let me activate my Epic Pen here. So this is the address of our university, imamreza.ac.ir, and this is the homepage of Imam Reza University. Okay, now to create an email, let me go to the bottom of the page. Here we have some quick access, and here you can see Perto portal. So this is the where you should go and visit Perto portal. Okay, uh, so by using this link, let me click on this link. So here, this is your, or this is student portal here. Okay, so here we should type our username and password. So please, uh, can anybody send his Darsa username and password in my WhatsApp? Please, one of you, please send me your Darsa portal username and password for me in WhatsApp, so I can show you how to create an email with your student portal. Please send your username and password in my WhatsApp number. Now I'm waiting. Okay. Uh, please, if one of you send your Darsa portal username and password in my WhatsApp, so I can enter these types of information to enter your student portal. Okay, still I'm waiting. Okay, dear Yusuf, thank you so much. Let me. So, by using your Darsa username and password, okay, you could send your username and password via WhatsApp, dear Yusuf. So after this class, please change your password, okay? After this session, if you could, please change your password. But in this class, I thank you. I use your username password. Thank you. So by using your Darsa username and password, then let me. It is not correct. Maybe I have some problems. But it's not correct, dear Yusuf. I I don't know what's the problem, but this is not correct. No, this is not correct. Uh, can anybody send me his username and password of Darsa? I don't know what's the problem about this username and password, but please give me another username. Okay, dear Yusuf, your password is not uh, this that you send me. Your username and password is the same. Okay, so I wrote a similar username and it worked. Okay, so here you can see I can enter dear Yusuf's portal in the university. Here there are some options, but what we need is here درخواست ثبت email or requesting academic email. So by using Perto portal, by submitting your درسا portal username and password, and by using this section درخواست ثبت email. So we can enter here. We have three fields: name, family, and شماره همراه or mobile number. Okay, dear Yusuf, can you tell me your name and family in English? Can you write it for me? So I want to submit your email request for you in this session. Please tell me your exact name and family in English. Okay, Median is your name and Yusuf Ashur is your family. Is it right or not? Okay, so if your name is if this was your name. Okay, so this is your name. So let me use small letters and okay, please check it for me. Uh, is it right? Okay, so thank you for checking your name and family in English. Now here we should type a mobile number, but don't forget that this mobile number should be registered in Iran, but not your uh, your mobile number in your country in Iraq. So, but we can easily uh, pass this way because this is not a mandatory field, but we should type something. As you know that mobile numbers in Iran starts with 0, 9. Here we should have 11 numbers. So for example, let me type a sample mobile number 091, and you can fill some number 1 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So you can easily type this number to this field here. So 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so this should be this is a general mobile number in Iran. This is not a problem to type this number here. And any question from now on? Can you tell me do you understand my explanations how to fill name, family, and mobile number in these fields? Okay, so don't forget about that. Now let me go to the bottom of the page. And here we have ارسال درخواست or send request. So now I click on this button, and now you can see the procedure of sending. Here this is a box here, caution box, that will set that your request is sent, and this is, you can approve that. Then let me click on تایید, and you can see that this is the number of your request, درخواست ثبت ایمیل آقای یوسف, and this is the student number, and this is the date of requesting in a Persian calendar. So after some days, maybe 2 to 4 days, they will give you a new academic email, and they will send you and inform you about that. And your academic email, this will be, for example, this is the name that the university will be assigned, ImamReza.ac.ir, and the name of the email will be provided by the university. It is usually based on your name and your family, maybe containing some numbers, I don't know, but they will send you. For example, for dear Yusuf, they will send in a couple of days later. Okay, any question about creating an academic email in International ImamReza-University? Very, very well. Thank you. Okay, so let me exit. And thank you, dear Yusuf, for sharing your username and password in this session class. Thank you so much. And let me close this window. So